also pre-med. He said, you know, if you want it badly enough, you'll obtain it. You know, you'll get it. And I ended up not wanting. I don't think I wanted it badly enough, and that's when I started thinking about art, and I knew that I wanted that very badly. And so I moved back home after I graduated. Moved back into my bed with my Hot Wheels posters. I mean Hot Wheels posters. And I set up a drawing table right next to my bed, and I literally would roll up out of bed, sit at the drawing board, and then I pretended like I had the job already, so I drew like 8 hours a day.
Any plans to bring Max Faraday back into the New 52?
I don't think there are any current plans, but it wouldn't surprise me. I mean, Scott Lobdell was a guy that finished writing up Divine Right, or some of the work that featured Max Faraday, and obviously he's working on a couple of the New 52 books, and he has a real fondness for the Lost Ark character, so it wouldn't surprise me if he had some plans. You're a fan of the heels?
Yes.
Well, I want to kind of give a little bit to everyone, so the people that are at shoe fetish could be into page 3, and the people that are into practical, you know, fighting gear, page 5, right? But if that's the only visual continuity mistake you find in the first 6 issues, I applaud you, because there's many, many more. I draw the pages out of order, and yeah, I don't know. You know what? It really, that happened. You know what? You look at the guy's wristband, you see the textures there, and so a lot of that stuff, when it gets shrunk down in color, it would turn to black with a brush. It would smear it too much, and it would look too translucent. And then all the white out, it's just Pentel white out correction.
No, no. Thank you very much.